All right, what's up, guys? So today I'm going to talk to all of you guys out there specifically that are looking to launch new products on Amazon. So, maybe some of you guys are either launching new products on Amazon, you haven't really done it before, or maybe some of you guys have just struggled in general to launch products on Amazon, right? That's something that's super common across just working in this space. So launching, can be incredibly daunting for so many different reasons, right? Because there are so many different parts when it comes to launching on Amazon. So, you got to think about your inventory. You got to think about that launching strategy that you're going to go after. You have to think about how are you going to gain consistency even after launching, right? How are you going to make sure you always have reviews coming in, sales coming in, promotions, so on and so forth. Launching in general, it's stressful on Amazon. There is absolutely no doubt about it. So luckily, Amazon has expanded their new, or it's not necessarily a new program, but they've expanded it as of last week. It is called the FBA New Selection Program. So this is actually something that came out in April. And it wasn't something that got a lot of attention, obviously, because of everything that was going on the first week of April, right? So the way the new FBA selection program works is it's going to give you a few benefits. So why don't I actually go ahead and share my screen? Let's see. Oop. Okay. So basically what we're looking at here is just the different program benefits for enrolling into this program. So basically how it works is as long as you are, so the requirements are down here obviously, but the program started April 1st. So as long as the product is new as of April 1st, you do qualify for this. So you have to be a professional seller to be involved with it, right? There's different eligibility things that you guys can look out here. You can also see here, it's a part of different marketplaces, which is cool. So UK, you got Germany here, Spain, France, Italy, Japan, which is awesome. So basically the main benefits of the program is to try to catch you guys a little bit of slack when it comes to just different things that are really hard for someone that's new to selling, specifically Amazon FBA. So one thing that they will do is they will give you a free shipment up to $100. So this is for sellers that are brand new to selling on FBA. So they're part of the new selection program. They will waive the first $100 for your inbound transportation charges through an Amazon partnered carrier, right? So yeah, I mean, it's only $100, but that $100, guys, can really help in terms of just alleviating some stress when it comes to launching new products on Amazon. In addition to that, you guys will have free monthly storage and free removal on the first 50 units sent to Amazon fulfillment centers for the first 90 days of the first unit is received, which is really, really cool. And then in addition to that, you do have free return processing as well. The free return processing, again, up to 50 units, and it is for specific categories that are listed here. We've got apparel, shoes, handbags, accessories, jewelry, luggage, and watches. But what's really cool, guys, is this is for a lot of people that maybe just have been hesitant to get on Amazon just because it's a little bit overwhelming, different things like that. So again, they kind of break it down for you guys here. I will link this in the Facebook Live so you guys can check it out. But honestly, as far as what it's required, you got to be a professional seller. You need to be new. Your products have to be new and you're launching them. So, you're going to have to enroll in the program and then you can get your products enrolled into it. What's also really great, guys, is this can cover 500 parent SKUs, right? Which would be incredibly helpful when it comes to launching those new products on Amazon. So even if you are not new, right? You are not new to FBA, you've been doing it forever, but you launch products all the time, this will help you with that as well, right? Especially if you're launching products at the time. I mean, 500 parent SKUs, and what's even better is this program is going to reset January 1st of each year. So if you are one of those people that, you just roll out products, parent products all the time over and over again, this is something that's great for you. This is $100, right? $100 to ship in your inventory. And then they're going to give you some free storage and free removals, guys. So yes, it sounds minimal, but it's just something to help you guys out, which is really, really cool, especially for you guys that are launching nonstop. Super helpful. So again, I'm going to link the program so you guys can enroll in it. It's one of those things, it's good to test, see if that's something you're interested in doing, but it can't hurt to enroll, right? It's a completely free program, something you can try out and try launching new products with it, saving some money, saving you guys some time. So other than that, that's all I've got for you guys today. Definitely want to hear how this strategy goes for you guys. So please reach out to our team by going to turnkeyproductmanagement.com/talk. We'll chat about the strategy with you guys, and of course, other strategies that fit for your business specifically. And as always, guys, just keep chatting with us in the group, right? Let us know anything you guys are hearing. Let us know if you guys have any specific questions about Amazon. We're always here to help you guys. But other than that, that's all I've got. Thank you guys so much for joining today, and I will see you next week.